All right, folks, in this video, we're going to show you how to tie wire onto a fishing hook. So the first step is take your wire, go through the eye of the hook, leave yourself about 3 or 4 inches of wire on the tag end. Then what you're going to want to do is take your wire and you want to make a loop around your hook eye without kinking the wire. Put your fingers on it, and then you want to twist both pieces of wire so that it forms this. Then you want to repeat this about 7 times. This is your haywire twist. You're twisting both pieces of wire. Then, next step, you take your tag, you bring it down, and then you want to straighten out your main line so that your main line is coming straight off the hook. And then your tag, you want to bend down so that it forms a 90-degree angle. Then you take your tag and you're going to wrap it tightly around Okay, there's your barrel roll.